Good day. We are super excited to have you here, excited about the thesis defense that we will have today. This is us speaking to your hearts and being thankful for all of you, our panels, because you chose to be here, and that matters to be acknowledged. Today, we want to focus on the opportunity to introduce our topic, which is the electronic ticketing mobile application with SMS notification. By the way, we are from a BSIT 4E and my name is Nicole Kangayaw.
And I'm Chester Cici Bonga.
I'm KJ Bahala.
I'm Audrey Santos.
Mark Agam Morales.
And we are the group Hello,
Hello,
World.
World.
One of the problems in the Philippines today is the alarming heavy traffic because of the massive number of vehicles and also the undisciplined drivers who will do anything just to get their destination as quick as possible, even if it means causing a roadblock. Utility vehicles were not observing proper loading and unloading areas. They pitch passengers in the middle of the road, which also contributes to the problem. That also makes it one of the top causes of heavy traffic. With the electronic ticketing mobile application, those drivers who violate traffic laws will be recorded via the application of the enforcer or the police, and the violator can easily pay their fine via online payment by logging in to the application. With the help of the database system, the file administrators in the office will have a new way to easily encode data and help them monitor and keep records of the past and the present violations. We, the proponents, aim to create a web based system that will serve as a primary platform to simplify recording and managing traffic violations. We also want to create a mobile application for traffic enforcers who handle and record the violations in the road. Manual recording and tracking of motorist traffic violations can be tedious and inefficient. Paper citation can be damaged and has a possibility to be lost before traffic enforcers submit it to the head office. So, we want to develop a mobile application for traffic violations and ticketing systems with web based platforms and online payment methods.
As for the statement of the problem in the specific objectives, what are the challenges encountered by the traffic enforcers in ticketing the violators in terms of difficulty in keeping the invoice, identified to find in violation, validation of driver's profile, response time and accommodation, reports? To test the effectiveness of the developed mobile application in terms of logging in, providing a violation ticket, keeping invoice record in the database, paying online, showing the information of the violator. To analyze the satisfaction of the developed web-based system in terms of retrieval of records of the violators, locating violators' information, creating accounts, recording violation lists. To accessibility, safety, and reliability of online payment method of PayPal.
In the study of developing and target electronic ticketing in airline industries among Malaysians, the determinants, it shows the empirical data that there is a substantial relationship between payment method, corporate image, web design, and security. This study is essential to the market's online ticketing usage in airline sector.
In this video, you can see the conceptual framework of MCTMO or Malabon City Traffic Management System and the mobile application to be used. We provided the requirements needed in this system, the process and executing in this MCTMO and mobile app for Malabon City. From sending the data of the driver or violators who, who committed a violation to receiving the report and recording it, generating code and sent using SMS notification to the violator, driver paying through online, to record all the reports, successful payment transactions. In this system architecture, we can see that the mobile application we developed is made of Kotlin and Android Studio, and the payment that is to be used is the PayPal. The web system we developed is made of Java and Apache NetBeans. And for the database, we use PHP, MySQL, Retrofit is what we use to connect the database of the mobile application and the web system. Firebase is used for sending notifications.
For the summary and findings, the proponents find the answer of the respondents based on a question in terms of effectiveness. Records are directly transmitted to PSTMO database after each transaction has taken place and easy to understand. Reliability. The application and the web system provide accurate result and the function doesn't have failure. The capability of the application and the web system to provide the right or agreed result consistently. Accuracy. The application and web system are free from errors and isn't mistaken after issuing a ticket. Speed. The transaction is fast. The records being taken are immediately transmitted to PSTMO after the transaction. Security. The records can be immediately sent to the database after the transaction was done. The application and web system provide secure level of access and provides an audit trail. The administrators have records of enforcer who will issue tickets. User friendliness. The application and web system are easy to use and understand. All of that finding was most of the answer are acceptable.
Therefore, the proponents managed to create and deliver the desirable state of the proposal. Application and the web system reach all features and functions in terms of sending, receiving, and managing traffic violation records by meeting the requirements that were collected from the drivers, enforcers, file administrators, and also from the recommendation of the respondents. With the proponents and respondents, most acceptable answers on the survey of the proposed application and web-based system, they strongly believe what we created is much more reliable and efficient, improving output compared to the conventional way of recording and managing traffic violation records. So, the proponents recommend that the PSTMO must have the following and others recommendations. Number one is provide smartphones to traffic enforcers. Number two is acquire or upgrade their existing hardware materials like computers, servers, and etc. Three is acquire fiber optic connection to their internet services. Four is hire highly qualified file administrator that has knowledge on latest technology. Five is find a way to improve the trustworthiness of their personnel, especially the traffic enforcers and file administrators, like seminars and trainings, is one way to improve the overall character and skill set of employee. Six is the other payment method. And seven, because of new technologies and software invented and other iOS or operating system can be recommended to easily use the application or the web-based system.